are going to be discuss about the Vim components that are used in order to process the invoice. So where you can see image scan, that way when we receive image that we scan from the enterprise scanner, and where you see in the electronic invoices which are colored in the block. So where you receive from the email channel or like EDI channel, so that we receive the input channels here. So, and we have the OCR and ICC as well, which will help to process the invoice, metadata. And once this all data is scanned, this all three will help to ingest the invoice. So once this invoice, metadata is taken, then it will push to the document process here. This is the actual the place where the Vim will validate the business rules that are required that we set up. So then, as soon as the document processing rules executed, then it goes for the invoice approval, and based upon the setup that we have done in the business rules, that again it goes the exception handling as well, based on the document configuration that we done for PO and non-PO. And here the you can see the Vim approval portal, like we have the approval portal and mobile approval portal and supplier. These are open text related products that will help to validate the invoice, uh, in order to process. And we can see here the CRM and SAP NetWeaver and BW and Ariba, which will which we can integrate in order to see the status of the invoice from the Vim workplace, where we can give kind of API, where this application can validate the data from Vim workplace or Vim tables. And you can see the down where you have the content repository that will help to archive the invoice uh, in the archive server. Yeah, these are the components that we have.